Hey folks, here's 5 things to know about Oceania Cruises. Number 1, small ship cruising. Oceania ships only hold about 650 to 1,210 people per ship. Number 2, the staff to guest ratio is only about 1 to 1.6 guests across the fleet. Number 3, so many inclusions with your cruise fare, especially with the expanded Simply More program. All soft drinks are included. Your mini bar is restocked daily with soft drinks. Still and sparkling water is included. 24-hour room service is included. Unlimited Wi-Fi included. Specialty coffee is included. All meals are included except some special dinner experiences. Champagne, wine, and beer included with lunch and dinner. Round-trip airfare and transfer from the airport included from many cities. Free port shuttles into town from many ports, especially in Europe. Number 4, shore excursions. Every stateroom gets $600 to $1,600 credit towards shore excursions depending on the length of the cruise. Oceania tours are smaller, they're less crowded, and they have a lot of specialty tours such as culinary explorations. Number 5, and my favorite, the food. This is high-end gourmet dining across the board and is all included except for some special dining experiences. With so many inclusions, small ship experience, and almost one-to-one service, you may be surprised at just how affordable luxury cruising can be.